Have you ever tried to cut your own bangs at home, only to end up with terrible results? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to cut your bangs at home. Whether you're in between salon visits and want to save that $5 bang trim money for something else, or if you're just curious about how to do it yourself, this video will guide you step by step through the process of cutting your bangs. Let's jump right in. For this tutorial, you'll need a comb, a pair of scissors, and a few clips to keep your hair out of the way. I'll link the exact items I use in the description below. I prefer to cut my bangs dry so I can see exactly what I'm doing. Plus, it gives me more control and eliminates any surprises from shrinkage when my hair dries. To start, section off the hair you want to cut. Begin at your part and take a section of hair that extends to the outer corner of your eyebrow. Clip the rest of your hair out of the way. Do the same on the other side. Once both sides are sectioned, you should have a small triangle shape of hair at the front of your head. This shape may look a little different on everyone depending on your hair type and the style you're going for. Now it's time to cut. I over-direct my hair to the opposite side of where I want it to lay, using my face as a guide for where I want the shortest point to fall, this time at my nose. I point cut straight across. After the initial cut, I'll make any necessary adjustments to help the bangs lay better around my face. Next, I repeat the process on the other side. I usually don't have as much hair to cut on this side, so I take the shortest point from the first side as my guide and double check that the longest points match up on both sides. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like to see more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.